Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by creating a new project and picking a sensible sample rate, 44. 1 or 48 kHz is fine. Next, connect your audio interface and pick its input in Logic's audio preferences so audio routes correctly. Once done, add an audio track, select the exact input channel, and record enable the track. If you need to hear yourself with no delay, enable software monitoring or low latency mode. Make sure levels peak around -6 dB, so you keep headroom and avoid clipping. With the track ready, set gain at the interface so peaks sit around -6 dB. This gives safe headroom and prevents distortion. Then, insert gentle processing on the channel, a light compressor to smooth dynamics, a surgical EQ to remove boxiness, and a de-esser if sibilance appears. Use an aux send for a bit of reverb in the vocalist headphones to create a comfortable performance space. Also, make sure input monitoring is active, so you hear these adjustments in real time while recording. Now you record. Run a few test takes to confirm levels and performance, then record full takes. When you have multiple passes, use take folders to comp the best phrases quickly. Choose punch-in for precise fixes. After recording, trim fades to avoid clicks, tighten timing as needed, and apply light processing on the vocal bus for glue. If something goes wrong, latency, noise, or dropouts, lower the buffer size, check cables and interface settings, and temporarily bypass CPU-heavy plugins while tracking to stabilize performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.